everyone! Welcome back to another session of WeCommerce. I welcome you all to once again to WeCommerce, and we are here for a better future. Yes. So, as you all know, in this we are going to start a new chapter that you all were demanding. आप सबने बोला था मैम डेप्रिसिएशन कराओ. So, आज हम कौन सा चैप्टर करेंगे? We will start a fresh chapter today, and that is depreciation. So stay tuned till the end of session to learn everything about depreciation. And also we have quiz at the end of the session. So stay tuned for that also. So without any delay, let me tell you that if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, and you have not liked this video, so go and like this video right now. जल्दी से जाने का वीडियो को like करने का. Come on, go and like this video, and also do share this video with all of your friends and your love, and do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. So जल्दी से जाओ, go, come on, subscribe this channel, do like this video and share this video with your friends. Come on, everyone will do that. जल्दी से go and like this video. And the old students will know about this, but the new one who have not joined the Telegram group, जिन्होंने अभी तक इस ग्रुप को ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, go and join it right now to get all the study material. If you want study material, if you want the PDF, so go and join it right now. Otherwise, you will miss it, guys. So, जल्दी से जाने का, go and join this right now. And the most important thing, जो मैं आपको बताना भूल गई, how can I forget this? Vedantu Commerce Pro subscription. Yes, if you want to score good marks, if you want to do the topics more briefly, if you want to take the class from other teachers like me, then you can take this Vedantu Commerce Pro subscription. So, what you will get in this subscription? You will get more than 5,000 hours of online teaching. We are giving you more than 5,000 hours. Then, we will conduct regular tests. We will provide you assignment. We will give you more than 10,000 questions that are more than enough for your revision. So, you can take this advantage of this also. Then, we will also continuously review your areas of improvement, that where you can improve, where you want to improve, where you should improve. Everything we will tell you. And there will be more than 20 teachers like me, more than 20 teachers like me for your personal guidance. And you can learn in English or Hindi. If you want to learn in English, then you can learn in English. But if you want to learn in Hindi, then you can also learn in Hindi. Last but not the least, as per your demand, we have two types of courses for you. We have micro courses. If you want to do individual chapters, you can go for micro courses. And if you want to do the course from beginning, then you can go for individual. You can go for crash courses. अगर आपको कोर्स बिगिनिंग से करना है, स्टार्टिंग से करना है, फर्स्ट चैप्टर से करना है, then you can join the crash course we are starting right now. Soon we are starting a crash course. So you can take the advantage of Vedantu Pro subscription and enjoy all these benefits in only one subscription. So the cost for this course is, for 1 month, the original cost was 3,499. But right now, if you will get this subscription, you will only have to pay 2,799. Only 2,799 right now. in which you will get every subject, accounts, business studies, economics, maths, every subject. So, what are you waiting for, guys? Go and take the advantage of this subscription right now so that you can enjoy all these benefits. Go and enjoy 20% off right now by using my code SCPRO. Come on, go and enjoy all these benefits at flat 20% off. You can use my code SCPRO and become a pro and enjoy all these benefits. So, as you all know, this is a class 11th accountancy session. And today we are going to start a new chapter as I have already told you. हम एक नया चैप्टर करने वाले हैं आज, that is depreciation. We will start a new chapter, that is depreciation. So let's see what we are going to learn in this session. What all topics we will cover today. So, the first lecture in this lecture, we are only going to do introduction to depreciation. We will discover every possible thing about depreciation in this lecture. So stay tuned till the end of the lecture to learn every single thing about depreciation. And let's begin this session. So, the learning objectives are meaning of depreciation. First, we will learn the meaning of depreciation. Then, characteristics of depreciation. What are the characteristics of depreciation? Then, the most important thing, difference between depreciation and amortization. Because the students are confused that what is the difference between depreciation and amortization. They look same, they look similar. What is the difference? Then objectives of depreciation and causes of depreciation. So these are the 5 things that we are going to discuss in this session. And at the end of the time, I will also sing a song for you. I remember that. So if we will have time at the end of the session, I'm going to sing one song also. So now, without any delay, let's start the today's session. बिना किसी देरी के session को start करते हैं. So, the first thing is meaning of depreciation. What is the meaning of depreciation? Ma'am, depreciation का मतलब क्या है? So, meaning of depreciation is decrease in the value of asset. Asset की value को कम हो जाने को, asset की value कम हो जाने को क्या कहते हैं? Depreciation कहते हैं. Let me give you one example. I am purchasing one car today. You are purchasing one car today. आज आपने Audi खरीदी. आज आपने क्या खरीदी? Audi खरीदी. You are purchasing Audi today for 2 crores. Now tell me, will the value will remain same? क्या ये 2 crore after 6 months also the value will remain same? Tell me in the chat box, yes or no. आपने आज ऑडी खरीदी है, क्या 6 महीने बाद भी इसकी वैल्यू 2 करोड़ रहेगी? Yes or no? What do you think about this? No. Yes, you guys are correct. Awesome. Keep it up. Yes, the value will decline with time. टाइम के साथ वैल्यू कम होती जाएगी. जैसे जैसे आप गाड़ी को यूज करोगे उसकी वैल्यू कम होती जाएगी. And that is known as depreciation. So in general, the term depreciation means decline in the value of fixed asset due to use, passage of time or obsolescence. सो जैसे जैसे टाइम गुजरता जाएगा, जैसे जैसे आप एसिड को यूज करते जाओगे, वैसे वैसे एसिड की वैल्यू कम होती जाएगी। जैसे इंसान बूढ़ा होता है वैसे एसिड भी बूढ़ा होगा। जैसे हमारी एज बढ़ती जाती है ऐसे एसिड की वैल्यू कम होती जाती है। सो नाउ दिस इज द जनरल मीनिंग। नाउ लेट्स कम टू द AS meaning, accounting standard, how the accounting body has defined depreciation. So AS6 accounting standard has defined depreciation as a measure of the wearing out. At the measure that you can measure the value of wearing out, you can measure consumption or loss of depreciable asset arising from use, effluxion of time, passage of time, or obsolescence through technology and market change. Sometimes the asset is depreciated also because of the technology. Because, let me give you one example for technology. In the earlier time, we used to use the carbon paper. पहले अपन लोग क्या यूज करते थे? वी यूज कार्बन पेपर इन दी अर्लियर टाइम्स टू डू फोटोकॉपी. To do photocopy, to copy something, we used to use carbon paper. But now with the technology, this carbon paper is replaced by the photocopy machines. This is depreciated, this is finished, this become obsolete with the introduction of photocopy machine. So the asset is also depreciated because of technology and market change. So what is depreciation? Because carbon paper की value क्या हो गई? With the introduction of photocopy machine, the value of carbon paper became zero. So it is depreciated to zero. And what is depreciation? Depreciation means decrease in the value of asset. So अगर आपसे कोई पूछेगा कि depreciation क्या है, तो आप क्या बताओगे? कि जब भी एसेट की वैल्यू कम होती है, whenever the value of asset decreases, it is known as depreciation. Now coming on to the next thing, characteristics of depreciation. क्या characteristics है depreciation के? क्या अनोखी बातें हैं depreciation में? What are the characteristics of depreciation? So let's see what are the characteristics. The very first characteristic is the meaning. It is decline in the book value of fixed asset. Decline, decrease in the value of fixed asset. Second, it includes loss of value. It is a kind of loss because when your asset value is decreasing, it is not a profit. जब भी आपके asset की value कम होगी, आपका नुकसान होगा. So it includes loss of value. Third, it is a continuing process. The depreciation is a continuous process. The value will keep declining. The value will keep decreasing. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि value बढ़ेगी फिर increase होगी. No, the value will keep declining. It is a continuous process. Fourth characteristic, it is an expired cost. The cost that is paid to the outsiders, not outsiders, it is not the cash expense. It is not in cash expense, it is an expired cost. The one that will not be recovered. So, it is expired cost. Give me 1 minute. So it is expired cost, it is expense. It is your expense, your asset is decreasing, it is your expense. And the last one is, it is a non-cash expense. Why it is non-cash? This is very important. It is a non-cash expense because you are not paying any money to anyone. आप depreciation में किसी को पैसा थोड़ी दे रहे हो कि ले भाई cash पकड़. No, you are not paying any cash to anyone. It is a non-cash expense because your asset value is decreasing. It is an expense but not a cash expense. It is a non-cash expense. No cash is paid to the outsider or anyone. There is no outflow of cash in depreciation. Therefore, it is a non-cash expense. So, these are the 5 characteristics of depreciation. First, it is decline in the value of asset. It is decrease in the value of asset. Second, it is a loss of value. It includes loss of value. Third, it is a continuous process. Fourth, it is an expired cost. It is an expense. And fifth, it is a non-cash expense. These are the characteristics of depreciation. Now, coming on to the main important thing, the most important thing. Difference between depreciation and amortization. What is the difference between depreciation and amortization? Though they sound the same, they look similar, but still there is difference. Let's come to that difference. So, depreciation is the expensing of a fixed asset over its useful life. When the value of fixed asset decreases, जब fixed asset की value कम होती है उसको क्या कहते हैं? Depreciation कहते हैं. For example, decrease in value of land, decrease in value of machinery. It is known as depreciation. But amortization is the practice of spreading an intangible asset cost over the asset life. Amortization means decrease in value of intangible asset. अगर intangible asset की value कम होगी, if the value of intangible asset decreases, like goodwill, if the value of goodwill decreases, you will not call it as depreciation. You will call it as amortization. So, whenever the value of patent, trademark, goodwill will decrease, whenever the value of intangible asset will decrease, it is known as amortization. तो फिक्स एसेट की वैल्यू को कम हो जाने को कहते हैं डेप्रिसिएशन और इंटेंजिबल एसेट की वैल्यू कम हो जाने को कहते हैं amortization. Depreciation, charge of the cost of tangible asset, fixed asset, and amortization, charge of the cost of intangible asset. So depreciation is related to tangible asset that you can see, that you can touch, and intangible asset are amortization is related to intangible asset that we cannot see, we cannot touch. So simple इतना है कि डेप्रिसिएशन टेंजिबल एसेट्स पे लगता है और एमोर्टाइजेशन इनटेंजिबल एसेट्स पे लगता है. Now I hope that the confusion is clear. Difference between depreciation and amortization. Both mean decrease in value. The meaning of both is decrease in value, but they are related to different assets. Now, methods used for depreciation are diminishing value method and straight line method. In depreciation, we use both methods, written down value method, diminishing method, straight line method. But in amortization, we only use one method, straight line method. So amortization में सिर्फ एक method use होगा, depreciation में दो method use होंगे. And these are the examples. Example of depreciation: land, building, equipment, machinery, vehicle. Intangible, these are tangible assets. and amortization, intangible assets, patent, trademark, goodwill. So I hope that this is clear to you everyone. Tell me yes or no. Is this clear to everyone? Difference between depreciation and amortization. Okay, great. Now moving on to the next part. Objectives of depreciation. What are the objective of depreciation? Why do we calculate depreciation? So, the very first objective is true cost of production. We want to find out the actual cost of production, the actual expense. अगर आप depreciation नहीं लगाओगे, so you are not finding out the true cost. आपको अपना असली खर्चा कैलकुलेट करना है, असली कॉस्ट कैलकुलेट करनी है. What are the total expenses that are paid on production? What is the total cost of production? Second, you want to find out the correct income or correct profit. आपको एक सही इनकम कैलकुलेट करनी है. You don't want to calculate incorrect income. आपको एक सही इनकम कैलकुलेट करनी है, सही प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करना है. For that, you have to calculate depreciation. So first, to find out the true cost of production. Second, to find out correct income or correct profit. Third objective is to find out the true and fair view of financial position. अगर आपको अपनी कंपनी की सही फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन बतानी है, you want to show a true and fair view of financial position, then it is must to calculate depreciation. क्योंकि अगर depreciation नहीं दिखाओगे तो आप गलत पिक्चर दिखा रहे. You are depicting, you are showing a false view of the financial position. So to find out, to ascertain the true and fair view of financial position, you have to calculate depreciation. This is the third objective. Next, fourth objective is tax planning. You have to plan for the tax, that how much tax you have to pay to the government. You have to calculate the amount of tax. So for that, it is mandatory, it is important to calculate depreciation. And the last one is asset replacement. You want to replace the asset, you have to replace the asset, and for that, it is mandatory to calculate time to time depreciation. So these are the 5 objectives of depreciation. First, true cost of production. Second, correct net income and correct profit. Third, true and fair view of financial position. Fourth, tax planning. And fifth, asset replacement. These are the 5 objectives of depreciation. हम इनकी वजह से depreciation calculate करते हैं. These are the goals for depreciation. Now coming on to the next part, causes of depreciation. What are the causes of depreciation? किस reason की वजह से depreciation लगता है? What are the reasons for depreciation? So let's see. The very first reason is wear and tear. क्योंकि आप use करते हो, with wear and tear, the depreciation is charged. Then disuse of the asset, then maintenance, then depletion, obsolescence and time factor. Because of time, because of obsolescence, depletion, maintenance, disuse, wear and tear. These are the causes of depreciation. Tell me, is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Tell me. They all are the synonyms of wear and tear. depletion, obsolescence, they all are the synonyms of wear and tear. Decrease in the value is known as depletion and obsolescence. So main causes are wear and tear, time factor, obsolescence and depletion. These are the causes of depreciation. इनकी वजह से depreciation लगता है. Mainly the reason is use and wear and tear. जैसे जैसे आप एसिड को ज्यादा यूज करोगे एंड विद द यूज, चाहे आप ज्यादा यूज करो या मत करो, इवन इफ यू विल नॉट यूज द एसिड देन ऑल्सो इट विल डेप्रिशिएट. अगर आप एसिड को यूज नहीं कर रहे ना, गाड़ी सिर्फ खड़ी भी है तो भी डेप्रिसिएशन लगेगा. दिस इज द मेन पॉइंट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन. द वैल्यू विल डिक्रीज इटसेल्फ. अगर गाड़ी खड़ी भी रहेगी तो भी वैल्यू कम होगी. Now, coming on to the ending part, with this we have completed the session. With this, your session is complete. Today, what we have learned: meaning of depreciation, characteristics of depreciation, difference between depreciation and amortization, causes of depreciation. So, these were the topics for today. Now I request you all to revise these topics again after this session. इन topics को सब लोग revise करेंगे, okay? Promise me that you will revise it. Everyone, promise me that you will revise this. Because this is theory. If you will not revise it, दिमाग से उड़ जाएगा सब कुछ. चिड़िया बन के उड़ जाएगी बच्चों. So you have to revise this. We will share the notes with you. Go and revise it again. Now coming on to the most requested part, quiz time. And let's see who will answer the questions correct and who will be on the top of the list. So, the first question is on your screen. Which one of the following most closely define amortization? Which of the following define amortization? इन चारों में से कौन सा amortization को define करता है? Depreciation of tangible asset, depreciation of intangible asset, depreciation of current asset, revaluation of land and building. Tell me, everyone, write in the chat box A, B, C or D. Let's see. कौन सही आंसर करेगा? Yes, most of you have answered it correct. Well done. Well done, everyone. The answer is B. The depreciation of intangible asset. Great, guys. Superb. Most of you have answered it right. Keep it up. Next question is on your screen. What is this process called? Where cost of natural resources are allocated over its useful life. Where the cost of natural resources are allocated over its useful life. Natural resources. I know this is new for you, but still, let's try to crack it. Cost of natural resources. When the natural resources, the value of natural resources decrease, what will you call it? Depreciation, amortization, depletion or capitalization. And your time starts now. Come on. Let's see who is going to answer this correct. कौन सही आंसर करने वाला है? Decrease in the value of natural resources is known as depreciation, amortization, depletion or capitalization. So many of you have answered it right. Yes, guys, this is known as depletion. When the value of natural resources, coal, decreases, it is known as depletion. When the cost of fuel, coal and others are allocated, they are decreased. That is known as depletion. So this is a new term for you. Write this in your notebook. This is the new term, so do write this somewhere in the notebook. Make a note for this. Next question. Next is depreciation arises due to. Depreciation will arise due to wear and tear of asset, fall in the value of money, fall in the market value of asset, none of these. What is the cause of depreciation? Depreciation किसकी वजह से लगेगा? Tell me, come on everyone. Depreciation arises due to which one of the following? Fall in the value of money, fall in the market value of asset, wear and tear of asset, none of these. Correct, guys, correct. You all are right. Yes, the answer is wear and tear. Depreciation arises due to wear and tear of asset. Great, guys, superb. Well done, everyone. So, that's it for today. I know it was a recorded session. I was not able to read your names, those who were answering it right. But we'll do that in the next session. So thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you all like this session. And if you like this session, go and like it right now. Jaldi se jaane ka, go and like this video and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. And also share this with all of your friends. सब की सब अपने इस वीडियो को अपने friends के साथ share करेंगे. Do like this video and subscribe this channel. And if you have not joined the Telegram group, go and join the Telegram group for all the PDF. For all the notes, go and join it right now. Otherwise, you will not get the notes. And if you want to score good marks, you can take this Vedantu Commerce Pro subscription, on which we are giving you 20% discount right now. So, for this 20% discount, you can use my code SCPRO. So, what are you waiting for, guys? Go on! Take this Pro subscription right now and enjoy all these benefits. So, stay tuned for the next session. And I know I have to sing a song for you. So, now I will be singing one song for my lovely students. So, this song is very trending right now. So, I will try to sing that. Hope I can match the sur. If not, please forgive me for that. So, the song is Titliyan of Hadi Sanduna maybe. Okay. So, पता नहीं जी कौन सा नशा करता है, यार मेरा हर एक से वफा करता है, वफा करता है. पता नहीं जी कौन सा नशा करता है, यार मेरा हर एक से वफा करता है. छुप छुप के बेवफाइयों वाले दिन चले गए, आंखों में आंखें डाल के दगा करता है. वे मैं जाननी तो मेरे नाल निभानी नी कोई, तेरी प्यास बुझावा मैं पानी नी कोई. तेरे मेरे सामने ही ताड़दा है होर कुड़िया, अख लाके नहीं अग लाके सॉरी मेरे सामने ही ताड़दा है होर कुड़िया, अग लाके शर्म ता पर्दा. That's it. मुझे इतना ही आता है, but I know that I was not that good in this song. So, कभी इस फूलते कभी उस फूलते, यारा मेरा तितलिया वर्गा, यारा मेरा तितलिया वर्गा. So, that's it for today. thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you liked this class. Not my song, but still, thank you everyone for watching this session. So, now see you all in the next session. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Bye-bye everyone.